The Ting Internet Smart Install is a contactless process where you'll work together with a Ting Internet technician to get your Ting fiber internet connection set up quickly and easily. Upon arriving, your Ting fiber technician will drop off a sanitized welcome kit on your doorstep. This kit includes all the parts you'll need for this smart install process, including a wall plate, wall cover, optical network terminal, or ONT, a power adapter, and network cable. We'll also provide you with a Ting Internet box. Then the technician will give you a call to collaborate on the next steps. Working together, you'll determine the best place on the main floor of your home to bring fiber from the outside wall to the inside. The Ting Fiber Tech will do a deep wall scan to ensure the path is free of obstacles. Then they'll create a clean entry point for the fiber. Now it's your turn. Remove the wall plate from the welcome kit. Feed the fiber through the hole in the wall plate. Peel the adhesive on the back of the wall plate and affix it to the wall. Remove the protective tip from the fiber cable and plug it into the ONT. Clip the ONT in place at the bottom of the wall plate. Plug in the power adapter. Slip the cover on for a clean finish. We've reached the home stretch. Let's get you connected. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into the ONT. Plug the other end of the Ethernet cable into either the Ting Internet box or your own router. Plug in the power adapter. Give the box a minute. When the globe light is solid, you're online. Connect your devices to your Wi-Fi network using the information on the back of the Ting Internet box. On your device, scan for new wireless networks. Choose your network and connect. Enter the network passphrase, which you'll also find on the back of your Ting Internet box. Connect all your wireless devices in the same way. Use an Ethernet cable to create a wired connection for the absolute fastest speeds and lowest latency for high-demand activities like online gaming. If you want to customize your home network, just follow the steps found at ting.com/Wi-Fi setup. Or you can always give us a call if you have any trouble at all. And that's it. Your home is now online with crazy fast fiber internet.